With its latest production class wheel loaders, John Deere has primarily focused on improving operator comfort, but the updates on these L-Series machines don't stop at the cab. Hey everyone, I'm Wayne Grayson. Welcome into Equipment World, where each week we bring you new videos on construction equipment, work trucks, and pickup trucks. In today's video, we will be discussing all of the new updates found on the 744L, 824L, and 844L wheel loaders from John Deere. Let's get into it. Now, as I said before, there are a swath of new improvements that John Deere has made to the cab on these new L-Series machines, but before we get into all of those, let's talk power for a second. Specifically, Deere says these new L-Series production class loaders are up to 9% more powerful than their K-Series predecessors. The 744L is powered by a 9-liter Deere engine delivering 315 horsepower, and that 9-liter also powers the 824L, but delivers 343 horsepower on that machine. Now, the 844L is available in both a standard and an aggregate handler configuration, and on both of those configurations, it's powered by a 13.5-liter engine. On the standard configuration, you get 417 horsepower out of that engine, while the aggregate handler, which is designed to tackle most material moving tasks in just 2 passes, gets a bump to 429 horsepower. Now, a note here before we move on, in addition to that aggregate handler configuration that you can get on the 844L, Deere is also offering log handler and pipe handler configurations on both the 744L and the 844L. In addition to increasing power with these new engines, Deere has also managed to decrease fuel consumption. Now, on the new 744L and 824L, Deere says that 9-liter engine reduces fuel consumption by up to 12% over those machines' K-Series predecessors, and the 13.5-liter engine found on the 844 models has reduced fuel consumption by up to 7%. But just about every other new feature and improvement found on these L-Series production class loaders can be found within the cab, which features a new design that provides 3 inches more legroom. Plus, you should find getting into and out of these new L-Series machines is much easier thanks to the new cab door, which is 79% wider at the floor than the ones found on the K-Series machines that came before it. Inside these new L-Series cabs, you will find a heated, ventilated seat with pan and tilt adjustments, plenty of behind-seat storage, a backup camera for a better view of the job site, a new premium audio system with Bluetooth, and new powered exterior mirrors which allow you to adjust them from inside the cab. Another bonus, Deere says these new L-Series loaders are CB radio ready from the factory. Deere has also upgraded the HVAC system found in these L-Series machines with the addition of automatic climate control. The AC unit itself has been relocated, and Deere also added a brushless fan motor for increased airflow. Now, another change for the L-Series is that you will now find joystick steering as a standard feature on all of these new loaders. Now, for you folks that prefer a steering wheel, and I know that there are a lot of you out there, you can still add one to these machines as an available option. But the primary benefit to using stick steer is that once you get used to it, it can greatly reduce the fatigue brought on by turning a steering wheel over and over and over throughout a workday. Plus, when you get rid of that steering wheel, you get even more room inside of this new cab. Now, another available option on these L-Series machines aimed at reducing operator fatigue are electro-hydraulic controls. Now, these EH controls allow operators to control all hydraulic transmission and multifunction features from either a single joystick or a dual fingertip joystick layout. These EH controls feature a return to dig, and they also feature something called soft stop. And soft stop gradually brings the boom or bucket to a stop when either the kick-out position is reached or when you release the control. Now, another cool feature that you get when you opt for these EH controls are 2 programmable multifunction buttons. And these allow you to go into the in-cab display and actually assign up to 9 features and controls that you rely upon or use a lot to those multifunction buttons. Now, another available option on both the 744L and 824L is a new factory coupler. And this coupler is available with multiple attachments, including 4 production buckets and 2 fork frames that are available in 2 tine lengths. Now, in terms of durability and reliability and efforts to increase uptime on these machines, Deere says that it has significantly improved hose routing and plumbing on these machines. On the 824 specifically, Deere says it has replaced 146 feet of hoses, with 125 feet of steel tubing. Deere has also added more retention points to the routing of the electrical harnesses and hydraulic hoses to reduce rubbing. Plus, the axles on these new machines are more durable as well. As for maintenance improvements, Deere has added a new factory-installed auto lube system as standard, and that ensures automatic greasing takes place while the machine is operating. Deere says this new auto lube system ensures more effective grease distribution. Washing windows on these machines is also easier thanks to a new window washing platform that has a fall arrest anchor point that has been tested to 5,000 pounds. So that will wrap it up on the new L Series production class loaders from John Deere. What do you think of these new machines? What do you think of all of the improvements made to the cab and all of the effort that Deere has placed toward reducing operator fatigue? How important are these features to you? Are you a fan of that change from the steering wheel as a standard feature shifting over to joystick steering as standard? I have a feeling that that's probably a pretty controversial change among a lot of folks out there. But let us know what you think about it and everything else that we've mentioned in this video in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching Equipment World. We appreciate your time. If you liked this video or found the information inside of it useful in any kind of way, do us a favor and hit that like button below. And if you want more videos on construction equipment, work trucks, and pickup trucks, hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so that you're getting up-to-the-minute alerts whenever we drop a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.